In today's video, we are going to explain how human heart helps deoxygenated blood turn into the oxygenated blood. So the deoxygenated blood from inferior and superior vena cava will enter into the right atrium, and then right atrium will start contractions and relaxations, and the blood will move through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. Then again right ventricle will start contracting and relaxing, and the blood will enter into the lungs through the pulmonary artery. Now in the lungs there is oxygen. When we inhale, do inhalation. When we inhale and now exhale. Good. Now the deoxygenated blood will take oxygen from the lungs and become oxygenated. Now from the lungs through the pulmonary veins, the oxygenated blood will enter into the left atrium. The left atrium will start contractions and relaxations, and the blood will enter into the left ventricle through the bicuspid valve. Now again the left ventricle will start contracting and relaxing, and the blood will move into aorta, and it will go throughout the body. Where you are going?
I'm going to brain.
Okay.
And I am going to brain and at the upper part of the body. I am going to left arm.
Okay.
Left.
Very good.